Hey guys, as we are getting ready to say bye to the summertime and hello fall, we have to find something to do with our curls to get ready for the seasonal changes. I'm going to show you how to keep your hair hydrated, styled with the curl maintenance products from Aunt Jackies. Starting out with fresh, clean hair, we're going to get ready to apply the Curl Maintenance Anti-Poof Defining Curl Whip. This solution is enriched with flaxseed, argan oil, shea butter, and mango butter, which smooths and defines dry and frizzy hair. Curl Maintenance Water-Based Hydration is great for 1B to 4A textures. It's awesome for wash and go styles, protective stylings, and any hair type in need of long-lasting moisture. So we're applying it evenly all throughout our hair. Once fully applied, go ahead and use a cotton or microfiber towel to remove any excess. It looks good so far, right? But wait, we're going to create our fall look up next. So we're going to start with the hair tie. We're going to grab half of our hair going from midsection, working our way up, leaving some curls loose and out for decoration. Once you have gathered the hair you need for our top bun, you're going to create a loose ponytail at the very crown of your head. Then grab the ponytail, twist it around two of your fingers to create a loose top bun. Go ahead and secure that bun with a bobby pin on each side. See these frizzies on the side? We're going to use the Curl Maintenance to go ahead and tame the unruly mane. And we're almost done here, right? But wait. It's now time to accessorize this easy updo, and what better way to do it than with a mustard colored headband for the fall. See how easy this was? And with this product, there were no flyaways and no poofy hair. Some added benefits as well from the Curl Maintenance is that with a lightweight argan oil and just the right amount of shea butter, it helps to soften curls, prevent dryness, and tame frizz without weighing hair down. There it is, guys. Fall hair care made easy with Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils.